Hello everyone, I am Jaideep Singh Chahal. With me, I think I have the most exciting project I've ever undertaken because all of the vehicles that I've been sharing till now, they are mostly my own personal vehicles which I'm working on for, you know, for what you call personal happiness, and they've been done how I want them to be done, or they are very close friends and family and the vehicles are always in Punjab and around me, and so they're done the way I would want to do them. So this right here is from a friend who lives in Gujarat, and he had been asking me to uh, do up his Isuzu exactly the way I've done mine. So we are basically, what we are going to undertake is we are going to replicate uh, my white Isuzu uh, on this vehicle with similar or equally rated parts. We are trying to create a version 2 of that where I'll probably be skipping the mistakes that I've made and learning from my mistakes. We'll be doing up this one. So the parts for this vehicle, they are all here. This is a 2018 manual, 2.5 manual. This is not the 1.9 auto, but this is the version where the cruise control and the DRLs that you can see, the DRLs came in. So there's a long list of modifications, but before the modifications, I'll brief you through what has been done already. So this vehicle came here with 93,000 kilometers. On the odometer, he had bought it used. So we did a complete 1 lakh service. We got it done from the dealership with a long list of extras from our end as well, which were given in as an input. So all fluids in a 4x4 vehicle, the list of fluids is pretty long. So starting from your radiator coolant, we flushed and gotten new radiator coolant filled in. Of course, fresh engine oil with a fresh oil filter, uh, fresh transmission oil. Then there is a separate oil for the transfer case. Then there's a separate oil for the front and the rear differential. So all 5-6 fluids, they've been changed. The air filter is brand new now, just how you do it in the complete service. Of course, the fuel filter has been changed, and the fresh air cabin filters, they've also been changed. So long list of filters as well. All possible filters, all possible fluids are new. The brakes were inspected, they were in top shape. So other than that, there were a few other parts that needed attention. Some of the bushes in the suspension needed to be changed, they were replaced, and also the clutch was pretty worn out, and it was not able to give 100%. And also it was I'm pretty sure it was not going to be able to cope up with the performance mods that we are going to do in this vehicle. So the clutch, of course, was replaced. So we went with an XCD Japan clutch with the bearing as well. So the complete set is changed. Other than that, what has happened is the EGR has been blocked off. So this vehicle is running an EGR delete kit now. uh, it sounds very fancy, but it's just a small plate that doesn't let the EGR dump air in your air intake manifold. And so along with the EGR elimination, deletion, blanking off, it has several names. So the EGR has been physically blanked off. Now with that, the next mod that is in the pipeline, I will go to the list of modifications that are going to be done on this vehicle. So the pipes for the intercooler are plastic and rubber. Those will be replaced by stainless steel pipes with silicon plumbing. So that will happen. We might do a bigger intercooler as well. So very convenient. The intercooler is front mounted. So an intercooler as well. A downpipe, yes. We'll be eliminating the catalytic converter and installing a downpipe, which should give it better breathability and better low end power. Uh, yes, we're adding a Dieseltronic unit. So Dieseltronic chip will go on the fuel rail and on the MAF. So that is going to add some power throughout the RPM range. Other than that, a pedal tuner is also here. So we'll be installing a throttle tuner, pedal tuner, throttle booster, pedal booster. It has a lot of names. It's a very basic device. It's like an amplifier for your pedal response. The Isuzus, they suffer from a very notorious lag down low in the RPM range. So it completely takes care of that. Tried and tested, I believe these 3 or 4 bunch of mods are going to completely transform the way the vehicle runs. Uh, Other than that, we've got a lot of other practical mods planned for the vehicle. It'll be getting a front bull bar and a winch, maybe a rear towing point, a complete rear towing point with a tow hook, an underbody protection guard. It'll be a set of 2 or 3 plates which start from the front and cover the transmission till the transfer case, of course. And apart from that, I think wheels and tires, of course, these are pretty old, and steel wheels on a fast moving vehicle, they never work. So we'll be downsizing from these to 16-inch alloys, just like in my Isuzu, and a set of 275 70 R16 tires. So my friend, he uses the vehicle on road a lot, so we probably won't be going for BFGs. Been trying to arrange a set of Geolandars. So once that happens, of course, this will get a set of 275 70 G010 good Geolandars from Yokohama. And of course, the highlight is the suspension. This is going to get a complete Ironman suspension. It'll get a Nitro Gas kit with comfort-rated coils. So that should actually sum up the entire project. We are trying to get a Caribou roller canvas lid. If anyone has any links or sources that might have those in stock, those aren't really available these days. So please direct me. I'll be really thankful. And another update for this would be an addition of a nice set of lights in the front. So still trying to figure out which ones to go for. The budget has been decided. All in all, this should completely transform this vehicle and have it sorted for the next 10 years. I might be missing out on a few modifications because we're trying to do everything of everything. Yes, a snorkel as well. We'll get a snorkel installed as well. So I think that's about it. A set of wiper blades. These are new Michelin wiper blades. A lot of stuff has already happened. So detailed videos will follow. I will try to record every addition that is being done so that we can kind of, you know, cover it as a complete transformation of the vehicle. And after it has been fixed, I'll try to cover how it drives and feels as well. The entire stance and the feel of the vehicle is of course going to change. One more thing that I missed was the air intake manifold and the EGR manifold. Since the vehicle is close to 1 lakh kilometers, it was taken off and cleaned thoroughly before the EGR was blanked off, because the soot gumming that happens on the intake manifold is really bad for your engine, and it kind of restricts the airways. So that has been done. It was completely clogged. It is already running and breathing much better and much freely now. So I think that's about it. If there's anything else that we plan to add to the vehicle as we move forward, I shall cover that as well. Any other inputs or any other modifications that you think should be done to an Isuzu, do share your input so that I can try and incorporate those as well. Thank you.